Hello?
Hello, is this?
Yeah, this is
Hey, this is Marcella. How are you?
good. How are you doing?
Fine, thank you. Okay, so how can I help?
So I received a notice, an email by a company, or I guess his attorney, saying that my name was too similar to his. And so I do real estate photography. So I'm in and there's a company about 20 minutes away under the name LLC, and I moved from under the name. So I got an email saying to basically cease and desist due to public opinion, I guess, or the public getting confused. And I'm just like freaking out because I didn't take his name. I'd moved from with this name. So I'm just not sure if it can even be fixed. Like, I don't have an attorney. I don't have a trademark. I just have my name registered locally by the state.
Do you have that letter that you can send to me while we're on this call?
Yes, which was the same email address I used last night at work?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, I just sent it.
Have you tried to register anything at all?
My trademark?
Yeah. Have you attempted to register that name?
Under the state, I have.
How did you come up with that name?
I was just thinking of names, but it was back when I lived in, and it was just when I started my business, I started with a drone, so I just thought of the name.
In this situation, they're basically just saying that even though you haven't registered anything, that they've been around for a while, they have a registered trademark, and so they have the ability to ascertain superior right to your business. So in this situation, I mean, are you able to change your name? Do you want to change your name? Do you want to keep the name? What is your stance?
Worst case scenario, I can change it. My biggest gripe is all my SEO and my ranking to get clients on Google is under that name. I don't know if I would just have to change my logo and my business. Like, would that be enough? I don't have an attorney. I haven't been here long enough to feel like I can fight it.
Would come down to, well, who was actually using it first? Were you or were they?
So I think I checked yesterday, and I thought I saw that it was registered in like 2019, which was before mine.
The registration date is not what I was looking for. It's actually the date of first use, because the date of first use will typically precede the registration date. Now, the other question is, well, have they been using it on a nationwide basis? Are they only using this name in their area or territory?
I think it is just in the state.
I think that the best case scenario here is that you just kind of eliminate your use of in any sort of way. So one of my suggestions is actually going to be, if you don't want to change everything, because legally speaking, I understand how it could be a pain in the butt, an option is for you to still keep the, you would operate under a DBA, which is a name completely different.
Actually, what I do currently, I operate under a DBA. I'm a sole proprietor, so I don't even have an LLC.
This is just a DBA and you don't even have an LLC, then basically it is going to boil down to you just changing the name under which you operate then. There is no LLC. There is no entity to change. For you, it is just changing everything, unfortunately. I think that's the best option here for you if you just want to make everything go away.
Since we're basically we just share the name, I mean, I just need to essentially change that, right?
Yes.
Appreciate your honesty. I was pretty stressed out when I got that email. It's like such a big deal, and it's like I just, it's just me running the business, so it's like, man, like, how do I deal with this?
Take it for what it is. It's a learning lesson. Just be careful in your name selection process. I actually do have a mini course that's really inexpensive on selecting a business name and how to choose the best business name. Maybe that's worth your time so that you can kind of avoid this issue.
I would like to just call the other owner and tell him that wasn't malicious and kind of clear the air, but I don't know if that can get me in more legal issues.
I mean, do you plan to respond to this attorney, or do you plan to have us respond, or what are you thinking?
Yeah, I would like help with that in some way.
Okay, well, if you would like us to respond, just let me know. You can send me an email. We respond to them, we give them our deadline, and everybody just kind of moves on.
Oh, okay, I will email you and think about it. Definitely, for sure. All right, I appreciate your call.
All right, no problem. You have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.